At the market you see rice costing 1,500.50 FCFA. What does that point mean? Today we unlock the secret of decimal numbers. A decimal number has two parts separated by a point. The left side shows whole units. The right side shows pieces smaller than 1. Each digit after the point has a special name. The first is tenths, the second hundredths, the third thousandths. Each place is 10 times smaller. To change a fraction to a decimal, divide top by bottom. 3/4 gives 0.75, a clean ending. But 1/3 gives 0.333 forever. That's recurring. Example 1. Add 2.35 plus 1.8. The golden rule. Line up the decimal points. Add a 0 to 1.8 to make 1.80. Now add like normal numbers from right to left. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 8 is 11, carry 1. The answer, 4.15. Example 2. Multiply 0.6 I 0.4. First ignore the points. 6 times 4 is 24. Then count decimal places. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we place the point to give 2 decimal places. The answer is 0.24. Notice, multiplying decimals makes the number smaller, not bigger. Common mistake. Many students add 2.35 plus 1.8 and get 2.53 by lining up the right side. Wrong. Always align the decimal points first. Remember the decimal point dance. Line up the dots before you add or subtract. For multiplication, count the places. Master this and decimals become easy. Thanks for learning with us. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more exciting lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com for your complete syllabus journey.